infographics that are in our back office, they're inside the hello sheet. When you drop those off, based on, we've done surveys. We know that businesses are struggling. They have issues every single day that they face when they open those doors. And so our mission, of course, is to get out and help them and empower them. And these types of documents are helpful. So again, the left side is about the business and what we know their challenges are. The right side is their employees. It's the things that they bring to work that distract them, that keep them from being totally productive. And so, it's good to know these sheets. You don't have to know every single bullet point, but you have to know enough to start that conversation. And if you don't have the hello sheet, you print some of these off and say, and drop those off. We used to hear, well, what can you send me or what can you leave me? These are the types of brochures and documents that we can leave. It's planting seeds that we get the challenges that they face. And here's a way for us to help. Would you want to visit with me? So again, these particular documents shown as they stand alone are found in Ellis Engage, in resources, under the full service folder. They're infographics, employee and business. But they're also inside the hello sheet.
Kathy, you said something that